Hey everybody, this is James again. Fixing to cut a small pocket circle and a piece of aluminum stock to start manufacturing our torch mount for the plasma torch. So here is Mach 3 running Windows 8.1. Set up, ready to go. I created this G-code with one of the wizards, so not so sure how it's going to work, but we have everything set up. You notice I've got a new monitor stand, so to speak. I had a boom here before that I had a regular monitor hanging on, and since I wanted to get away from Windows XP, I went ahead and got this notebook, and I'm running a USB controller. It's called the UC100.